Guys, this is going to be a very short video, but I think it's important that I saw something on the internet, and I think it's important for me to put it out here. And it is essential for green card holders to be aware of their rights and the potential consequences of signing Form 107. So welcome back to the channel. Guys, before I get into the details, please make sure you subscribe to the channel. An attorney is disputing U.S. Vice President JD Vance's assertion that green card holders lack indefinite rights to reside in the United States. Now, this statement emerged during an interview where Vance discussed the arrest of a former student, activist, a green card holder, and this happened maybe around, it's about a month now. And this kid, or he has a master's degree, so he's not a kid, he's a grown man. He was studying for his master's, and he was involved in a pro-Palestinian protest at Columbia University. Now, this claim raises significant concern for green card holders, as it undermines the legal permanence traditionally associated with their status. A Jamaican attorney based in Florida emphasized on Radio Jamaica beyond the headlines that green card signifies lawful permanent residency, and its name reflect a commitment to allowing individuals to reside in the United States without time constraints. But to what is going on now, green card is like a dollar bill, because it really not that strong anymore. Also, a Florida-based Jamaican attorney warned green card holders facing issues with immigration authorities at U.S. airports against signing Form 407. And this form is a form which indicates abandonment of lawful permanent residence. You voluntarily give it up. Signing this form can lead to substantial consequences, including potential loss of residency status, and may be unjustly imposed, especially if an immigration officer confiscates a green card. But what these lawyers are not telling anybody is what happened when you're at the airport. Them give you a form, that form to sign, and you don't sign it. What next? They need to tell people what next if I do not sign the form. Will they hold me a prisoner? Do I have to get a lawyer? Will I go in front of a judge? It's all well and good for lawyers to come and say, don't sign the form. But what they stop short of telling people what next to do. So before you don't sign it, before you travel, I should say, if you have a green card, make sure you know you're educated about Form I-407, and you also know what your options are. I don't know the options, so I can't put it out here. But the big question is, what is your next move if you get to the airport and you are stuck there? Who do you call? Do you pick up the phone and call your mother or your father? Or do you get a lawyer? Or do you wait to go in front of a judge? Or do they send you back to wherever you're coming from? These questions need to be answered. The implication of these claims and actions are troubling. If green card holders are led to believe their rights are not secure or can be easily revoked, it could foster an environment of fear and uncertainty within immigrant communities. And such a claim may discourage individuals from speaking out against unfair treatment or from pursuing legitimate grievances in the United States. Ultimately, this situation highlights the precariousness that many immigrants may face, putting their future at risk and potentially destabilizing their lives and the lives of their families. So guys, if you have watched the video this far, kindly make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I will see you back here on my next YouTube video.